Hello, my name is Marjorie A. Domingo, and I'm going to discuss about soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of the top layer of the soil due to some physical forces. It occurs when the impact of water or wind detaches and removes soil particles, causing the soil to deteriorate. Some common causes of soil erosion includes deforestation, agriculture, mining, and construction. In soil erosion, there are two natural agents, the water and wind erosion. Water erosion is the runoff of water that also occurs during floods and water waves, which in water there are sheet erosion that occurs when rainfall intensity is greater than infiltration. Second is real erosion. This is the removal of soil by concentrated water flow. And third is the gully erosion that occurs when water is channeled across unprotected land and washes away the soil along the drainage lines. And in wind erosion, there are siltation, suspension, and creep erosion, which this process of larger particles tend to move by siltation and surface creep, while finer particles are suspended and move air in the air. And that's all for my discussion about soil erosion. Thank you.